Polite English. Making indirect requests using if statements. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're diving deep into indirect requests and exploring how we can use if statements to make our requests sound more polite and respectful. So, let's get started. Using if in your requests is a great way to sound more polite. This approach is ideal when you're asking for something, but you don't want to seem too demanding or pushy. An if statement for a request typically looks like this. Underscore. If you could, blank, that would be great. The blank is where you insert your request. For example, if you could pass me the salt, that would be great. It's time to form your own if statements. Here's the formula again. Underscore. If you could, blank, that would be great. Can you think of a situation where you might need to make a polite request? How about asking a colleague for help? You could say, if you could help me with this report, that would be great. Here are a few more examples to get you comfortable with this format. 1. If you could send me the presentation slides, that would be fantastic. 2. If you could let me know when you're free, I'd appreciate it. 3. If you could lower the volume, it would help me concentrate. Remember, the emphasis is on the person you're asking. You're not demanding, you're requesting politely. Not only can you use if to make requests, but you can also use it to make offers. For instance, you might say, if you need anything, let me know, or, if you want, I can order food for us. The structure here is a bit different. Instead of, if you could, you're saying, if you need, or, if you want. And there you have it. That's how you use if statements to make polite, indirect requests and offers in English. We hope you find this tool useful in your conversations and that it helps you communicate more effectively and politely. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.